This shampoo is so good. It smells so nice, guys. No more tears. I want to try this soap on my face for 7 days, and I want to share with you guys so that if you're out there and maybe you've tried out so many soaps on your face and they're not working out, maybe you can consider trying this out. Let's get straight into the video. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, subscribe for more videos like this. So this is the soap. I love this soap because it's free from sulfate and alcohol. When you're using a product and it's free from alcohol, you know, like that one is safe for your skin. So I'm going to wash it off, guys, and I'll show you how my face feels like. This is me after washing off. My lips normally dry badly, so I use this Vaseline lip balm. This is day 1, guys, and it's left me feeling so hydrated. As you can see, my face, I have no moisturizer on, nothing on, guys. I just washed off and dried out my face. I'm going to apply this age resisting simple, and then, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm back again. This is day 2. I'm going to wash my face. Like, it has a lot of foam on it, so after this I'm going to wash off, guys. It feels so soothing on my face. No irritation, nothing. So gentle on my face. My face feels so soft, hydrated, and smooth. Wow, I'm loving this feeling on my face. So, guys, I'm going to apply a moisturizer. As you can see, like, I have no moisturizer on, and my face is glowing. Guys, can you see this? Yes, I just had my sunscreen on and a moisturizer, so I'll be heading out and I'll see you in the evening. If I get time, I'll still film for you guys. I'm back again and I'm so excited to continue the challenge as I promised you. So let's see if this soap is going to remove the makeup. So, guys, I'm going to rinse off. Let's see if it's going to, like, at least remove makeup on my face. Yeah, does great job, guys. Yeah, let me just wipe off my face, guys, then we continue the conversation. Like, guys, I was saying, this soap removes makeup better than some of the makeup removers we have in the market. I don't know how you feel about this, guys. Have you tried using Johnson's to remove your makeup? Let me know. For those people who normally glam up, let me know. Yeah, I'm going to moisturize my face. I had a few rashes here. Let me show you rashes which I had. Just a few rashes and they are disappearing. Yeah, and these are the ones which I'm using currently. I'm using simple products. So, guys, I am done moisturizing and I'll see you tomorrow. Let's continue with this challenge together, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, guys, this is day 3 of me using Johnson's & Johnson's baby soap on my face. Instead of me using the bar soap, I'll be using the shampoo for the remaining 4 days. So let's see how it's going to turn out. So far, guys, so good with this one for those 3 days which I used the bar soap. Yeah, let's see this one, how this one is going to turn out. Yeah, I'll quickly wash my face. This also has no dyes, alcohol or sulfates, so I'm hoping that it's going to be soothing on my face like the bar soap. Just use a little bit like that. I think I should wet my face. This one has a nice smell. They all smell like babies. You know how babies smell? Also, it's not smooth. It's like rough on my face, but there's no irritation or anything. You know, the way I used the bar soap and it was like smooth feeling on my face, this one feels a bit like rough. Wow, see, the foam is just disappearing. But anyway, let's see how it's going to turn out after I wash my face. There is not that glow on the face like the shampoo, like the bar soap left me yesterday. You know, like the first 2 days I've been having that smooth finish after washing off with the bar soap, but for the shampoo I feel like it's a bit not like the same smooth feeling like the bar soap, guys. That feeling is a bit different, and also my face is not irritated. So yeah, I'll just continue. This is just the that day and the first time using the shampoo. So what I do, I'll continue with it tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see how it feels, guys. I'll just continue with my moisturizer, and guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, today is day 4 of the challenge. I'm back home. It's in the evening. Yeah, I have this here and I wanna use it to wash my face. Day 4, let's do it. Also guys, let's see if this shampoo is going to remove makeup. Yesterday I tried the day after yesterday, yeah, I tried using the bar soap to remove makeup and it did wonders. So let's see if the shampoo is going to also remove the makeup I have on. But this one is not like a lot of makeup. I have no mascara, just a little bit of powder on my face. So let's do this together, guys. This shampoo is so good. It smells so nice, guys. No more tears because it's for babies. So I'm going to rinse off, guys, and I'll be back. See the work of this shampoo, like it's also removing makeup, guys. I didn't expect this. Look, just one touch like this, it got everything out. Look at this. So guys, the feeling is a bit different from how I felt yesterday. Remember yesterday after I washed off, I felt like it was drying on my face and like it was rough. I didn't feel that soft, smooth finishing like I felt when I used the bar soap. Guys, today the feeling is a bit different. As you can see, my rashes are disappearing. Wow. Yet I've used it only twice, guys. So tomorrow is going to be day 5. See you tomorrow, guys, for the challenge. Hey guys, today's supposed to be the final day of the challenge. Last time I left you at day 5 and I was not able to film day 6 because I was not well, and as you can hear, my voice is not okay. However, I'm going to complete this challenge and I'm going to let you know how it felt using Johnson's on my face for the 1 week, even though I've been using it for almost 2 weeks. And yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. So still I'm going to use the shampoo. But today I feel so soft on my face, so gentle. Wow, let me just wash off, guys, and I'll complete on how I feel. I'm done washing my face. I've used this carrot oil. I love this oil because it moisturizes my face, especially like now I have cold, my face feel dehydrated, so I use this. And also I take a lot of water, and I have a video now, you can make your own carrot oil, guys, on my channel. Check that out. And to just conclude on how I feel about using the soap and the shampoo, guys, I'm going to start with the soap. After using the soap is so gentle on the face. So if you have sensitive skin, I'm sure you're going to love using the soap on your face. However, the downside of this soap is like it will just finish very, very fast. Unless you're using it only for your face. But if you're using it on your body and face, like every day, is not going to last you long. Both of the bar soap and the shampoo have done wonders for my face as compared to how my face was when I was starting this challenge. My face was a bit dull, yeah, and now I can see the outcome is so noticeable, guys, as you can see my face. So now let me talk about this shampoo.
When I used this one the very first time, it was not smooth like the soap. It felt like rough. I could feel like it was exfoliating my face. And my face is normally sometimes oily, but now you can see it's not oily, it just like mattifies. If you're going to use the bar soap on your face, you have to use in high manner of hygiene, because sometimes soaps tend to collect particles, bacteria, like if you're using it and exposing it for your face. This one is better off because you're not going to attract bacteria. It's not open, you can see it's just in a container, it's closed. That's the reason as to why I'm going to be choosing this one over this one, guys. However, overall they are both good. To conclude, I also mentioned that these two soaps are so good at removing makeup, so you can also try, to remove makeup with them, and let me know on the comment section below. Yeah, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know, guys, if you've used Johnson's bar or shampoo on your face. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Zippy out.